Hi students, this is an optional video for extra help for question 3. Question 3 says, Facebook is the major news source for many people. What does this reveal about our society? Remember, Facebook was originally a social media website, not a news website. So first I need to remember what the word reveal means, and that's in our vocab section up here. It means to show something that is previously unknown. The new episodes of the TV show reveal that Brenda was not the murderer. Another common thing we talk about is gender reveal. You previously don't know the gender of the baby. There's a party. You find out the gender of the baby. So reveal means to tell us something we didn't previously know. So what does this reveal about people? If Facebook was originally for social media and not news, what does it tell us if people are getting their news from there? What are they not doing, or what other websites are they not going to? Good luck.